Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude, Fillet, Hole, and Thread. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. Here will be the midpoint in the center of this circle, okay, of this arc. And the first thing that we'll create this arc here with 35 millimeters of radius, and this arc here with 25 millimeters of radius. And the distance between these 2 points here is 10 millimeters, okay? So let's create this, open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select the arc, center point arc, make an arc here with 25 millimeters of radius, and create another arc with 35 millimeters of radius. Okay, move this a little bit. Go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here, and select these 2 points. Okay, we made this. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 10 millimeters, okay? Now we'll create this line here, this line and this line here. We'll make the fillet later, okay? And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. And make sure that this line here is tangent with this arc, okay? So select the line, click at this point, make this sketch here. This line here is tangent with this arc, okay? And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now in the other side here, we'll create a line and create this sketch here. Okay, the distance between this line and the midpoint is 8 millimeters, okay? So select the line, click at this point, make a line here. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 8 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. We have this profile. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 20 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction, select the symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 20 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we'll make the fillets in this edge here and in this edge. The fillet here is 7 millimeters of radius, and in this edge here, the fillet is 10 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 7 millimeters. Now click here in add selection set and select this edge here. The fillet here is 10 millimeters, okay? Press OK. We made this. And now we'll make this hole here. Okay, this hole here has 10 millimeters of diameter and 60 millimeters of depth, okay? So let's create this. So here, go to create and select the hole, select this face here. Let me move this. And the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint, this distance here, is 37 millimeters. And the distance between the center of this hole and this edge is 10 millimeters, okay? So click here in the midpoint, the distance here, 37 millimeters. And click here in this edge, the fillet here is 10 millimeters, sorry, the distance. And the diameter is 10 millimeters, the diameter here. The hole type, select the simple. The hole type, select the simple. And the depth here, 60 millimeters. And the diameter, 10 millimeters, okay? press OK. We made this. Let me show for you the section analysis. Select this and flip the direction. We made this, okay? Now we needed to add thread in this side here. The thread here, M10, 1.5. So go to create and select the thread. The face, select this face here. The size 10 millimeters. Designation 10x 1.5. And here I will select modeled and press OK. Let me show for you here. We made this. Now I will add some color here. Press letter A in the keyboard. And in this face here. And in this face here, I will add the yellow color. Okay. And here, let me. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.